So I have the 6 extra tables here in Power Query, and I did a number of steps with them. The first 5 steps over here are repeated similarly in each of the other tables here. So we'll just look at the customer table, which has more steps. So the first step here basically is just the source, which is a VentureWorks Data Warehouse and SQL Server. Then it navigates, this one navigates to the customer table. Then we pick out the columns that we wanted to keep as per my previous video. Then the next thing then is this great formula here that's on the Power BI cheat sheet from Dave and Mark, and you can pick up that off the internet using this bit.ly here. It's one of the tips that are on the cheat sheet. So the next one then, what it actually does is, say for here, for example, customer key. See, it's just all one word with capital letters between the words. These two words that make up that. And what the formula does is that it splits into separate words. So it'll be customer space key because it has the capital C and the capital K. And you'll see that here as a result of the special formula. That customer key, for example, is now split with the space. So it's a great formula. Then, as per the previous video, the column names were changed to the ones that I wanted. Then the next one was, well, there was 4 columns that I needed to make whole numbers. So there's the 4 of them there. Then one of the columns called house owner. If I can find it there. There's the house owner here. That had 1s and 0s. So 1 if they were a householder and 0 if they weren't. And I wanted to change the type here into from text into the true or false one. So to do that, I had to create this formula here, which essentially is if it's an odd number, which would be 1, to give it the value true. Otherwise, it's going to be false. So that's what the formula does. And then what I did was I deleted the house owner, the original one column, and I renamed the one that we brought in to be house owner rather than house owner 2. So that now is true or false. So that's working perfectly. So we now want to bring these into Power BI proper. So we do home, close and apply. And there's our new tables in.